Hey my beautiful and strong people. Today I will be showing you how to install these beautiful and luscious Poetry Bob Locs with just 2 packs of hair. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so for all my people who cannot braid, this is the flat twist pattern base. Don't be laughing at me, y'all. I know it looks a little rough, but hey, it's going to get the job done, and that's all that matters. At the end of the day, no one's going to see this, right? Nope. So I'm just pinning up my little hang time that I have so they're not dangling. And here is the hair. It's Janet Collection, not Tress. And I'm using 2 packs, and I'm just praying that, this works, which you guys saw at the beginning it does. So let's get into it. Okay, so of course, when you're crocheting a bob, and if you have 3 different lengths, you want to start off with the shortest length first, which is the 10-inch length. So when you're crocheting the bottom, keep in mind, do not crochet it like this, horizontal. You want to crochet it vertically and hook it at the very end of the lock, because if you don't, it's not going to go into the hole, and you're going to be sitting there struggling for a while. So just keep that in mind. And this will just be a smooth install. Also, you will see me stuck a little bit. I have to unhook the crochet needle because I don't flat twist very tight. So my flat twists are a little loose. So my hook tends to get caught up in the looseness of the hair because it's not tight, like super tight. So just keep in mind, if you do not flat twist very tight, if you don't want to have to deal with that or having to unhook it and then pulling the rest of the dreadlock through, then you might want to flat twist your hair a little tighter. But this works for me. I don't like putting extra tension on my hair. So if I can get away with, doing looser flat twists, then that's what I typically do. And you can always rubber band the end of the flat twist to make sure that they're secure as well. But make sure that you oil them first before you apply them to your hair. And I would say to try to scatter these as much as possible so that when you do finish the install, you can go back in and fill in the little gaps. Okay, so just to clarify, you want to scatter in the back to the middle of your head. When you get to the front, that's when you're going to be crocheting pretty close to the dreads, or like a 2-finger spacing. And then after you're done, you will look at your head overall and then just fill in as you need to. So what I'm doing is just inserting the crochet hair strategically as possible so that I can have the gaps less noticeable as possible. Okay, so everything I'm doing now is optional. You do not have to do this. You can be done here at this point. But me, I like to be a little extra. I like to decorate my hair. I love jewelry. I love hair jewelry, so it has to be in my hair. Okay, so now we're going to take the scissors and I'm just going to cut some of the hair in the back because I feel like some of the hair is too long and it's not really giving me that bob feel. You can do this if you want. And then I'm going to soak it in the hot water, which is what you saw in the hot chocolate cup. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. Join the family and hit that bell icon so you will not miss any more lit videos. And of course, I'll see you on my next one.